Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Here's what I bring you from the world of medicine. Breast arteria calcification, a key risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Annual Menopause Society meetings highlights. Heart disease risk assessment tools specific to women remain lacking despite the fact cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of mortality in women. A new study suggests that mammograms may pinpoint a key risk factor demonstrating an association between breast arterial calcifications and cardiovascular disease. Results of this study were presented at the 2024 annual meeting of the Menopause Society in Chicago. The results of a new study, though, suggest there could be a common risk factor found through a very routine medical tool, a mammogram. The study, which followed nearly 400 women for 18 years, demonstrated a potential association between breast arterial calcification, which show up as a white parallel line on mammogram and are typically benign, observed on mammography, and cardiovascular disease. More specifically, women with breast arterial calcification were more likely to experience atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, a type of heart disease that occurs when plaque builds up in the walls of the arteries to limit blood flow to the organs. 23% in those with breast arterial calcification compared to 13.9% in those without. Prior research has already suggested this type of association, says Hannah Daly, lead author from Drexel University College of the Medicine in West Reading, Pennsylvania. But this study aimed to assess the longitudinal association between breast arterial calcifications and atherosclerotic heart disease. Based on what we found, we believe the presence of breast arterial calcification on mammogram should be routinely reported. Studies like this one are encouraging because they provide information on a tool that healthcare professionals could use to determine the risk of heart disease in women, says Dr. Stephanie Forbion, Medical Director of the Menopause Society. In addition, it reinforces that the risks for cardiovascular disease in women are different than for men. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.